Here it is. This is the final run of this perfect low mile 354 barrel engine in this El Camino. So we just starting to, radiator's drained, the exhaust is off, and I'm gonna start it up just to document that this motor from this El Camino runs good. And here it goes with no exhaust. That's it. It will never run again in this car. Runs perfect. So we're gonna pull that motor out, put it on a stand, and I don't know, I have to say save it for this car for originality, but who really cares? Car's documented well enough. It's getting General Motors' best crate engine ever done, ZZ 502. Waiting on the oil pan for the A-body chassis. So that's kind of that, and that's the last run of that low mile 354 barrel.